Looking for the right vehicle? Today could be your lucky day. This vehicle is equipped with great options, and it could be yours. Contact the dealer today, request more information, and set up a test drive right away. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, alloy wheels, power lift gate, remote keyless entry, front wheel drive, mud guards, four-wheel disc brakes, speed control, electronic stability control, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.